So hi guys, I'm back. Dito na ta balik ko tanga. Dali na ta. So karon guys, while waiting sa so while waiting this 12 midnight nga man. January 1 na, so let's talk about some time check guys. It's 10:24, so yaman na po ito siya. Then abang-abang na ta mamaya kung unsay mahitabo sa atong New Year, and this 2025 is now signing off. So hi guys, so nagproblema ka doon, wala siya nitingog ang mic, I don't know. So I think guys, lowbat siya. Oo, lowbat. So while waiting everyone, so okay, I just want to take this chance to greet you all that happy Merry Christmas. I just want to take this chance to greet you all that happy New Year everyone, and may this year 2026 brings new hope sa atua, good health para sa atong family, friends, sa atong mga kaila, and also continuous blessings na mabuhay sa ato at least 2026. Kaya means sa mga nahitabo or mga challenges na nahitabo this year 2025, at least na kaya nato, wala tani give up, we survive. Tayo pabayaan sa itong mga families, friends, and also si Lord. Nakaka-birthday lang last December 10. I'm so proud of you. So karon guys, gawlat pa ta mag-first shot na lang ta. Hi everyone, ako to, si 2026. Dance with my...
Wait! So, karon guys, while waiting, it's 11:45. So, ready na may pagkaba. Go! Pilit na lang. Happy New Year!